is an
Concepts in
advantage of
queuing
what of
theory.
queuing theories. Of course, there are key concepts in queuing theories, which of course we want to look at this morning. Strong queuing concept that in the study of queuing theories, one often meets. And these key concepts are: number one, we talk about the customers. We talk about customers. Talk about customers. Number two, we talk about servers. Talk about servers. Number three, we talk about arrival rates. Arrival rates. Arrival rates, which of course is conventionally represented with lambda. We talk about service rates. Service rates, which is often represented with what? Mu. Then we talk about what we call the Q discipline. The Q discipline. The Q discipline. So the question here is, what do we refer to as customers in the study of queuing theory? In queuing theory, customers stand for entities. And these entities could be persons, it could be objects, it could be items or anything at all that are arriving in a system for a service. Looking at the illustration that we gave earlier in terms of what? Of the bank. People coming to this bank either to operate the ATM machine or to get services from inside the bank are what we refer to as customers. It could equally be cars arriving to a mechanic shop for a service. We refer to these cars as customers because they come demanding for a service now, which of course is repair from that mechanic's shop. That is what we refer to as customers. We equally have what we call servers. What do we call servers? Servers, of course, are those entities that are in the system that provide services to the customers arriving in the system. In this context, we are looking at this ATM machine as a server because it provides services now to customers arriving in that bank. We equally look at the tellers inside the bank to be servers because the primary activity of them are to provide services to customers arriving